They shipped more in 6 weeks than the 2 years before it. Nobody slept. Nobody stopped. Nobody remembers doing any of it.
While you're not looking, things get approved on your behalf. And nobody ever checks. It's not one employee, it's 400, all day, every day. Each of them is giving access to AI that no one has checked. Well, almost no one. No one, except us. We watch what your AI agents do on every laptop, every file they touch, every skill they use. And the moment we find something malicious, we fix it, instantly. Workstation Lens by Repello AI, the safe way to say yes to AI.